Why cryptocurrencies aren't talked like they used to anymore? Could the balloon really pop? Cryptocurrency, which has been the subject of fierce debates in recent years, has become as unspoken as before in recent weeks. So why is this happening? Did the Bitcoin bubble burst, as some say, or are there other reasons behind it? Cryptocurrencies, which are among the most discussed investment tools of recent years, have made some great gains and seriously damaged others. New investors who are aware of this situation are inevitably in a great hesitation, and they are hesitant about whether or not to enter this market. There is also an ongoing situation in parallel with the developments in the crypto money markets. So much so that people no longer talk about cryptocurrencies like they used to. So why? Let's discuss this situation together. Do people really not talk about cryptocurrencies? Before we get to the answer to the question we are looking for, we need to determine whether such a thing really exists. So first of all, we have to answer the question, are people really not talking about cryptocurrencies anymore? We can find the answer to this question instantly through Google Trends, which keeps the data of the Google search engine. Let's take a look at the search volumes of some terms related to the cryptocurrency community. Google search volume for the term cryptocurrency is declining. In the table above, you see a graph showing data around the world by search volume for the term cryptocurrency. When we look at this graph, which shows the last 2 years, we see that the interest in cryptocurrencies is fluctuating in general, but it has recently regressed and even returned to the days of the last period of 2020. The same goes for the term Bitcoin. The decline in interest in the term cryptocurrency isn't the only thing that has become trivial in this market. So much so that when we look at the chart of the search volume of the term Bitcoin, we encounter a similar situation. Interest in the cryptocurrency markets has now regressed to the same levels as at the end of 2022. If we summarize what we have said so far, yes, people are talking about cryptocurrencies less now. So why didn't people talk about cryptocurrencies as much as they used to? As a matter of fact, it is very difficult to say anything definite about this issue, because there are not one but more than one reason why people do not talk about cryptocurrencies. We can list these reasons as follows. 1. When the COVID-19 pandemic is left behind and people return to social life. 2. Global events and inflationary pressures. 3. The prevalence of fraudulent incidents. 4. The manipulations. 5. Decreased confidence in cryptocurrency markets. 6. Morale after the falls. Staying behind the COVID-19 pandemic and returning people to social life. The COVID-19 pandemic, which broke out at the end of 2019, literally captured the years 2020 and 2021. People were locked in their homes due to the epidemic, the economies came to a standstill, and the disruption of business at that time still shows its effect as a chip crisis today. But now, we have forgotten about the COVID-19 pandemic. We are living a social life again, and priorities have changed. With all of these, government support has also come to an end. Strict crypto watchers know a significant portion of the money poured into people at that time entered the crypto money markets, and the volume of crypto money markets reached $3 trillion in November 2021, according to CoinMarketCap data. Global events and inflationary pressures. When the calendars showed February 2022, the still ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine broke out. While people were just starting to recover, they faced a global inflation crisis as a natural consequence of all the events. The prevalence of scams. The fact that cryptocurrencies are both very profitable and popular has whetted the appetite of hackers and fraudsters. As such, there has been an increase in cyber attacks and fraudulent incidents. Meanwhile, markets were not only harmed from outside. There have been great events in the industry itself. For example, the Terra Luna event, the cryptocurrency named Luna, which shines in 2022 and hovers above $100, dropped to $0.0001 due to the fact that the stablecoin of the same team, UST, could not hold on to $1. The manipulations. Cryptocurrencies have not only been harmed by cyber attacks, scams, and other hacks. The clearest indicator of this is billionaire businessman Elon Musk. The business person who is familiar with the crypto money markets has hit the bottom of the manipulation, according to many people. As a matter of fact, we cannot say that those who think like this are wrong, because while every cryptocurrency is established to serve a purpose, Dogecoin Doge, which was established as a joke and does not serve anything, reached record prices with the support of Elon Musk. Decreased confidence in cryptocurrency markets. Is it easy to trust cryptocurrencies after what we explained above? Of course not. All this has weakened people's trust in the cryptocurrency markets. Pleasant. It wasn't very reliable anyway. So much so that, according to a study conducted at the beginning of 2022, a very serious portion of people, such as 72%, already considered investing in cryptocurrencies high risk. Experience shows that the risk is now much higher than ever before. Depressed mood after the falls. The year 2022 has been quite challenging for the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin, which was traded at $48,000 on January 1, 2022, is trading at $19,000 on September 16, 2022, when this article was written. The lowest price seen since the beginning of the year is $18,000. In simple terms, an investor who invested $48,000 and bought one Bitcoin on January 1, 2022, lost more than half of his money as of now. The demoralization caused by this has also turned people away from cryptocurrencies. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.